Hi, this is Robert Radcliffe, and thank you so much for visiting us and taking a look at this amazing new listing of mine on Haverford here in the Palisades. Besides the house, which is amazing, which we're going to go through in detail, the most important, well, not the most important part, but one of the most important features is this location. This location is phenomenal. So literally, you're like a few blocks away from the Palisades Village, that direction. So shops, restaurants, banking, commerce, etc. Literally a short stroll from here. Then you've got Temescal Canyon, amazing hiking trails with killer ocean views, city views. If you're not familiar with Temescal Canyon hiking trails, definitely a must. And literally start your hike from your doorstep. Then we've got the bluffs right here on a great street, by the way, Radcliffe Avenue. It's right down the street here, and again, amazing coastline views, a great place to take a stroll from your front door, either in the morning, at the evening to see the sunsets, and that's what a lot of the families and homeowners here do. In the evening, that's your nightly walk out there and take a look. And then of course, we're right down the street from the beach. You can bike ride, actually you can walk to the beach, bike ride probably, all the way down the boardwalk. You can literally ride a bike from your front door to Marina del Rey, and then I think even down to Hermosa. So the location is amazing. And then if you have high school kids, or actually any kids for school, you've got elementary school right here. You've got walking distance and far enough away that you don't hear any noise of Palisades High School. So summing it all up, location, 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 this house. Okay, come on in, I want to show you through. We've got 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths. It's just over 3,500 square feet. Obviously a modern style. And in addition to this narrative video that I'm doing for you, also take a look at obviously the website itself. It's kind of the more polished version and the still shot photos that you can see. But the purpose of this is obviously to allow you to see the house from the comfort of your own home in an actual showing. No edits, just straight through. So the house pretty much speaks for itself. Obviously you've got gorgeous hardwood floors in pristine condition. Clearly an open floor plan, high ceilings, totally private with the landscaping, which is super, super nice. But coming through here, you obviously, again, the whole concept of the house is this open floor plan between dining, kitchen, living, and family TV room, which we'll be stepping into in a moment. You've got a great big kitchen area. Obviously, center island, thermidor stove, and picturesque window as you do your dishes. And again, on the neighborhood, super charming neighborhood as far as the neighbors' houses around the area. Okay, follow me. Watch your step. Step down, living room, obviously with gas starting fireplace, high ceilings, recessed lighting. Once again, great open floor plan. Doesn't come with the house, but very cool artwork. And then once again, totally private backyard. And this is perfect for those that like a low maintenance, nice private, easy to, again, maintain house. And then we got a cameo with our amazing client and seller, Kevin, in the corner, sticking away from us. But once again, the yard is perfect for those that, again, just want low maintenance and privacy. Got this great overhang pergola, nice area to sit, cup of coffee, glass of wine. Come on back in. Keep on going. I'm going to close the screen door. All right. Boom, 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 boom. I feel like I'm in my mullet outfit. Business on top, no shoes, casual on the bottom. Come on up. Once again, really great hardwood floors throughout in pristine condition. So guest bedroom here. Once again, tons of natural light, great windows. I guess kind of treetop views. Bathroom to service. This room over here, currently obviously being used as an office, but this is technically a bedroom. You've got closet space here. Once again, great windows, great light, and good space. He obviously has huge desk cabinets and all of this shelving, etc. So this is actually a really good sized room. And speaking of good sized rooms, this is the entire master suite. So we're going to step into the bedroom portion of the master suite. Clearly private balcony overlooking your yard, but really good size bedroom. And once again, this is all master suite. Toilet area here, full bathroom here. For those that maybe have a Peloton or a treadmill, I think that would be a great area here, or downstairs when we get down to the lower bottom area. But you also have a big balcony. In fact, you know what? Let's see if I... Let's step out here. The chirping birds, they've been paid on consignment just for this video. They're not around all the time. Actually, those birds chirping are awesome. I hope they're around for your showing when you come look at this house right before you buy it. Okay, we continue on. So we've seen the upstairs. We're going to go down to the bottom floor. Oh, by the way, laundry chute. Okay, so this was the main area, obviously, that we walked into. Entry, back to all the space that we've seen. This is kind of your main common room area. Downstairs, watch your steps. You've got a powder room off here at the top of the staircase, or the bottom of the other. So once again, remember we had 3 bedrooms up. The master, the one that's being used as the office space, and then that other bedroom. And now we're down to what would be a 4th bedroom plus a media room. So this would be your 4th bedroom with bathroom to service. Or this could be technically another bedroom for sure. It's being used obviously as half storage, half of a mini little piano room, and you put the bed here just to kind of fill the space. But this is actually a really big space. Could be a great gym, at-home office, in case you want to use the bedroom upstairs, the office upstairs as a true bedroom. Or media room. This would be like a great TV room, game room, whatever you wanted. So there's a lot of space down here. Okay, so then following me here is laundry. And not necessarily the sexy part of the house, but the garage. Why don't we take a look at? Where's the light? There. So standard kind of 2-car park. And some built-in storage space. Not built-in, but plenty of storage space as well. Back on up. There's also an alarm system, central air, central heat. That's pretty much it. And once again, to me, like, not to overkill the neighborhood and location, but it's again, location. This house is perfect. And it's a great house. And it's a great buy. And I hope you're interested in seeing it in person. I hope this video encouraged you to come schedule a private showing. Thanks for viewing it. Contact us for a private showing, 310-317-9900. Have a great day.